Kubikwa ukuthi uCollins ubengaphandle ngebheyili ngamanye amacala okubulala nokuzama ukubulala ngesikhathi edubula ibulala uConstable Thapelo Dlomatsane, uConstable Siphiwe Sibeko, uJaden Mahaman kanye noRolin Lessing.
Mr. Collins' matter is remanded until 25 August 2026 for formal bail application. You will remain in custody and no bail at this stage.
Umsolwa oneminyaka engu-23 ubudala kubikwa ukuthi ungumgulukudu ohlalise izakhamuzi uLubhojozi eReiger Park.
He is a well-known gangster in Reiger Park, and the investigators connected the dots as soon as they profiled him.
Umsolwa namhlanje uphinde wethweswa amanye amacala amane.
As you've heard, it is four murder charges plus one attempted murder, as well as two robbery with aggravating assault, as well as possession of an unlicensed firearms.
Amaphoyisa akholwa ukuthi umsolwa ubengeyedwa futhi athungatha abanye abasolwa kulamacala. Kusenjalo, umholi webandla eliseDobsonville Soweto, uTshepo Nzimane, osolwa ngokuthumba nokunukubeza intombazanyana eneminyaka eyi-12, uzobuyela enkantolo yemantshi yaseRoodepoort mhla zingama-20 kwephezulu.
The matter is then referred to the High Court, Gauteng, Local Division, Johannesburg, Pritchard Street, Johannesburg, as mentioned earlier, in terms of Section 75(1)(c) of Act 51 of 77, for appearance on 20 August 2026.
Kubikwa ukuthi uNzimane oneminyaka engu-56 ubudala wathumba lentombazanyana waseyinukubeza emzini wakhe ngesikhathi samaholide ephasika. Lentombazanyana ibekwe endaweni yokuphepha njengoba uphenyo lusaqhubeka. Kanti KwaZulu-Natal khona uvele enkantolo yemantshi yaseThekwini usomabhizinisi oneminyaka engu-65 ubudala osola ngokushushumbisa abesifazana abathathu, ukuthumba, ukunukubeza kanye nokwephula imithetho ye-internet. Lo somabhizinisi uboshwe izolo elalusha eThekwini emva kokuheha laba besifazane baseGoli ukuba bezoqala umsebenzi endaweni yokungcebeleka iCasino eseThekwini base benukubezwa.
The state is alleging that between February to March 2026, the 3 complainants in the matter were brought to KZN under false pretenses of a job offer. They were then held against their will for the purposes of sexual exploitation.
Icala lizobuyela enkantolo mhla zingama-25 kwephezulu.